Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google app or Google Photos. Do that now. Make sure you are signed into the account tied to the image, because removal requests link to account context. Once done, locate the image in Photos or open the page where it appears. Tap the lens icon to analyze. You do this immediately so Lens can identify faces, text, or objects. The faster you begin, the clearer the metadata and removal options will be. You now use Lens's detection. Tap the area it highlights to refine results. Lens shows matches, related images, and context. Study those until you see the specific instance you want removed. Then open the menu or the three-dot options and look for report or removal pathways. Google surfaces privacy and copyright reasons. Pick the reason that fits: privacy for personal photos, copyright for owned content, because the choice determines which evidence and forms you must provide next. Complete the removal form carefully. Attach proof of ownership or identity, explain why the image should be removed, and submit. You'll get a confirmation email. Monitor it and respond if reviewers ask for more info. If removal is denied, don't stop. Edit your submission to add clearer evidence or choose a different legal basis. A key troubleshooting tip: if Lens can't detect the image, crop to the subject or use a screenshot to force clearer detection before resubmitting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.